stealing eggs. The Adelies constantly squabble over the stones they use to build their nests. Here, weather changes quickly, and it soon dampens the high spirits of the colony. Now their only concern is to protect their eggs from the storm, so everyone hunkers down. Stuck on her nest for the last 2 weeks, his mate is hungry, but she'll have to stay put till the storm passes. Meanwhile, he has a plan to impress her. Use the cover of the storm to steal more stones. It gets easier as the blizzard gets stronger. Blinded by the snowstorm, they become easy victims of crime. By the time the storm ends, they have one of the finest nests in the colony. But a much greater crime is about to be committed. Better weather brings in predators. These are skuas. Their speciality is stealing eggs. Each Adelie has only 2 eggs, and a year's investment goes into rearing them. But with skuas on the prowl, one can go in a flash. Adelies may be pugnacious and dishonest, but they are devoted to their young.